Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss The Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Taurus, hi! Welcome to Miss The Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaari hindi, just take what resonates. And also, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality, so gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, so Taurus, let's see your overall energy for October. Wow, the Tower. Ano to, Taurus? So there's like a release. Something that needs to be released and kailangan na i-let go. This can be a relationship, pwede rin tong feelings, sama ng loob, or can also mean like you have to let go of something that is no longer serving your highest good. So, let's see naman your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Taurus? Temperance. Okay. Taurus, baka may mantitrigger sa inyo ngayong October. Ang challenge sa inyo is kung paano kayo magiging calm and collected. Oo, yung tipong kalmado ka lang. Patience, yan yung magiging challenge for you. Paano ka magiging patient sa situation mo. Let's see your opportunity. What is the opportunity sa mga Taurus? You have the Three of Pentacles. Wow. As an opportunity, this is about expansion, no? Pagdagdag ng mga ari-arian mo, mga properties mo, or pagdagdag ng income, sources of income. Pag-expand ng business mo. Yung iba sa inyo, merong mga opportunity sa trabaho, sa career ninyo, na kung saan you will be working with a lot of people, mga projects, and these projects will lead you to elevate your career. There's also success in teaching. So, if you are someone na mahilig mag-share ng knowledge and skills mo, you also have an opportunity to become a mentor, a teacher, enterprising. You will also be connecting with a lot of people related sa business or finances. Let's see your blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Taurus? The King of Swords. As a blessing, you have influence. Magkakaroon ka ng malakas na influence sa maraming tao. Especially if you are in social media or you are someone na merong member ka ng isang group or community na kung saan kilala ka doon for sharing your knowledge and skills sa kanila, teaching them. And I think ngayong October, magiging sobrang seryoso ka sa pag-achieve ng mga goals and dreams mo. That is how you're going to gain power. Okay? Let's see your money energy. Ano yung money energy ng mga Taurus for October? Ace of Wands. Merong spark of creativity for you that will bring money to you. Maari ring merong messages coming through related sa pakikipag collaborate mo sa ibang tao, working with other people na mag-o-offer sa'yo na, oy, let's collab, ganyan. Oy, let's work together for this project. So, of course, this is going to bring you money. So, iba sa inyo, new opportunities sa inyong finances. Pwedeng may bago kayong investment na papasukin. Some of you naman, travel opportunities. Maaring may magpapadala sa inyo ng pera galing abroad. And then your career. Career. Seven of Swords. Okay, there is someone in your career na maaring sasabotahe. Isasabotahe yung iyong trabaho. Okay? So that's why you have to be very careful in trusting the people around you. With your money, with your career. Kasi maaring, there are some people na hindi totoo sa'yo eh. Na parang, sa harap mo, pagkaharap ka nila, all praises to you, pero pag nakatalikod ka na, maraming sinasabi na something bad about you, that you don't deserve what you are getting right now, pagdating sa success, sa career mo. Yes, merong mga dishonest, hindi totoo, mga faker sa paligid mo sa katrabaho, sa career mo. And just make sure na lang din na you know who you can be trusted. Alam mo kung sino yung mga pagkakatiwalaan mo. Or maaring ngayong October, merong marireveal na katrabaho. Or kasama mo sa work, kasama mo sa business na hindi pala magandang intention sa'yo. So, sa love naman, you have the Knight of Pentacles. So, some of you are in a relationship na parang ang bagal ng progress, no? Yung parang, slowly lang yung pag-angat. But I feel like you are being more serious pagdating sa relationship. For you, you want stability sa relationship. Kung itong person na to is someone na independent, hindi umaasa sa'yo, then for you, that's good kasi, kumbaga, this person can be your partner in the future. Okay? So, if you are single, I think you are just going to focus more on your career, building a stable career, building a stable business, building a stable finances, stable financial situation. So, you may also be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Someone is very confident. So, I think itong fire energy for you is related sa mga bagay na gusto mong simulan because you are excited, no? Yung iba, excited kayo mag-business, excited kayo sa mga projects ninyo. Some of you maaring merong, can be a conflict or issue with a person that is romantically connected sa'yo. It's like, marireveal sa'yo kung ano yung plano ng tao na to sa'yo. If it's something na gusto mo, if you are in alignment of your plans together. So, kung in alignment kayo, then tuloy-tuloy lang yung relationship. But if you are not aligned, maaring magkaroon to ng separation or cutting cords or may realization ka na it's not working anymore for you. So, I think this is something that you're going to release with the Tower card. Releasing those people, situation, things that are no longer serving your highest good. Evil Queen, you deserve sugar, not salt. Yes, because you know what you want, you know what you deserve. And you will not settle for anything less than what you deserve. So, alam mo kung anong gusto mo, alam mo yung dinideserve mo. So, kung ang binibigay sa'yo, puro kaalatan lang. Dinideserve mo, tamis. Siyempre, you're going to let go of that. And then, be honest with yourself. Yes, honesty is the best policy. Being true, being more authentic in what you want, and in expressing yourself. So, I think you're going to be more authentic, no? Magpapakatotoo ka sa sarili mo. Kung isang bagay ay gusto mo or ayaw mo. Yung iba kumbaga may hangganan yung pagtitiis ninyo. If you feel na sapat na yung pinagtiisan nyo, ang isang sitwasyon, trabaho, career, business, relationship, and hindi mo nakukuha yung dinideserve mo doon. So, I think that is something that you're going to let go of. And you will start something new that is going to excite you. Compliments from an admirer. So, maaring meron kang admirer, may nagpaparamdam sa tabi-tabi, may magpaparamdam sa'yo ng interest romantically. Someone is behaving stupidly. Okay, this can be the person that you're dealing with. I think these are the people na merong hindi magandang intention sa'yo. So, I think you can see it through alam mo yan makikita mo agad yan if there are some people na fake sa'yo. So, I think you're going to cut off connections with them. You're going to let go of them. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.